Morning, Agent Energy Carbon Clean. We've got a 2000 year model Rover 45, so it's a Y-Reg, 153,000 on the clock on this one. Now the owner's had this a long time, and his son recommended us to him to get it cleaned up. Really bassy, this engine, when we got to it. It's doing about 1,000 miles a year. Just a few trips over to Skeggy and back, and then some pottering around locally. Really minimal amount of mileage per year. Really bassy when we got to it, and quite difficult to rev up. It's revving up beautifully now. We've done an initial 50 minutes and we're going to start it off for another cycle just to really get this finished. It's not far off now, but needs a bit longer, this one. No particular running issues with this. The owner is looking after it, but it is just doing really short journeys, apart from the occasional trip to Skeggy. So yeah, running beautifully now compared to what it was. Most of that bass noise is gone. I'm just going to run it a bit longer to get rid of that last bit. But yeah, this 2 litre got a renewed sense of life and vigour now. We've got it cleaned up, and hopefully it'll be cruising nice and smooth onto the next way to Skeggy when he goes.